In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a payment form to your Wix website. The process essentially involves upgrading your Wix site to a business or premium plan, setting up your payment methods, and then integrating a payment form onto your page, equipped with all the necessary elements for a successful transaction. Our first step begins with gaining access to the premium services offered by Wix, which offer a multitude of beneficial features for your business-oriented website. For this, upgrade your Wix site to a business or premium plan. This will render you the necessary permissions needed to effectively integrate a payment form onto your site. After upgrading your site, head over to the Wix dashboard. Here, find the Settings option. This option provides you with the tools necessary to tailor your website to suit your preferences, including the payment options. Next, within Settings, look for a subsection titled Accept Payments. This is found under the broad section of E-commerce and Finance. It is on this page that you will set up all your monetary transaction details. On the Accept Payments page, choose a payment provider to process your transactions. Providers could be any one of the numerous available options, like Stripe or PayPal. After selecting your provider, connect it to your Wix site. This will ensure that your transactions process smoothly via this chosen channel. Now the groundwork has been paved for your transactions, and it is time to move toward integrating the payment form onto your site. For this, access the Wix editor. Within this space, two options are available on the left side menu, namely Add Elements or Add Apps. Choose the most suitable option based on your site's requirements. Then comes the task of finding the order forms. Select this and drag the form element onto your desired page, where you want the form to show up. Here, choose a payment form template that best suits the aesthetic and functional needs of your website. Once your form is present on your page, it is now time for adjustments and connection. Click on the form to edit its settings. This includes anything from the look and feel of the form to the type and number of fields present within it. Customize the fields in a manner that ensures you collect all necessary information from the buyer to process their transaction. Next, navigate to the payment settings. Here, connect the payment method you have previously set up. Following this, set up the product details, which include the price and the currency. Given all this, now whenever a user submits the form, they will be redirected to a secure checkout page. Here, they can complete their payment in a safe and secure manner. And this completes our tutorial on adding a payment form to your Wix website. Follow these steps meticulously and elevate the buying experience for your users with a well-integrated payment form.